In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to an anchor on Confluence. Linking to anchors is a great way to help your team or audience easily navigate through a document, especially when the document is lengthy. By linking to specific sections, you can guide them directly to the information they need, enhancing their overall experience and productivity. Let's dive into the steps on how to do this within Confluence. Firstly, open your web browser and navigate to the Atlassian website, the home for Confluence, which is a collaboration platform for software, IT, and business teams. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located on the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your credentials if prompted. After signing in, you'll see a waffle icon, also known as the app switcher, generally located at the top left of the page. This icon looks like a small grid of 9 dots, and it allows you quick access to various Atlassian products. Click on this waffle icon in the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on Confluence. Now that you're in Confluence, you'll want to open the page where you intend to create an anchor link. Select the relevant page from your list or create a new one if necessary. After the page is open, click on the Edit button, typically found at the top of the page. This will switch the page into editing mode, allowing you to make changes. With the page in editing mode, choose the text that you want to use for your anchor link. This text will serve as the clickable element for users to navigate directly to a specific section of content. Highlight the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Next, look for the Insert Elements option in the toolbar, which is usually represented by a plus symbol or an icon labeled Insert. Clicking this will bring up a menu with several options. Select or search for links from the menu, and you'll be presented with different link types you can create. Now, select Anchor Link from the options provided. This step is crucial as it differentiates a regular URL link from an anchor link, which points to a specific location within the same document. You'll need to ensure that the section you wish to link to has an anchor set up. Otherwise, you'll need to create one first by inserting an anchor on the target text or heading. Finally, save your changes by clicking the Save or Publish button, typically found at the top right of the page. Congratulations! You have successfully linked an anchor on Confluence. This feature is a powerful way to improve document accessibility and user experience, making it easier for others to find the content they need quickly. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we hope this content has been helpful in enhancing your Confluence skills.